be right back.
No.
Oh, sorry, wait. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Just don't fucking clap until I put my hand up.
Okay. Welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. How's everybody out there? I am making today German chocolate cookies. I saw these on, I think it was Instagram.
Or are they German?
Well, the German chocolate is, the topping is pecans, coconut, and like a...
What are you looking at?
My cheat sheet.
Yeah.
Creamy.
thought you did
Have you ever
all
had German chocolate cake? You have. You just don't remember it. The frosting is a frosting with pecans. I'm using walnuts today.
I've never been out of the country. Everything I eat is there.
Shut
Colors
up.
don't run, sweetheart.
Yes, they do, because you've had German chocolate cake. You ate Scottish food. That's another country, or did you not know that? I need a drink. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to get serious? Are you ready to get serious and talk about the German chocolate cookies, or are you going to be an asshole?
Yeah, a little bit of both.
Okay, so into my mixer, I have 1 stick of butter, and it said cool room temperature, which normally I use like kind of more melty butter. A 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add in 1 egg. And an egg yolk. Okay. I don't have anything on my sheet. And what does that say? Oh, a teaspoon of baking. Hold on, I'm losing my place here. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I usually use extra.
Frustrated?
No, you got me befuddled, or whatever that word is.
Flustered?
Flustered, yeah. Okay. I'm going to combine this.
It's hot in the kitchen, Deb. You gotta be ready for anything.
I know the oven is currently preheated at 350 right now, so I'm going to incorporate this together. It's really weird on this recipe. They give you the dry ingredients first, which they normally don't do. So here together, I have sifted 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So now I'm going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And I'm going to put this whole on because I've had a flour blast happen to me before. What are you backing up for?
First time using it?
This one is so big.
That's what she said.
Shut up, I knew you were going to say that. I knew it was coming.
That's what she said.
Oh my God. Okay, so here's the dough. I'm going to scoop this out onto here
It's like food.
and get it in the oven, and when we come back, I'm going to make the topping for the German chocolate cookies. Okay? So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And send me comments if you want me to make something. Because like right now, I'll do keto stuff and not keto stuff. He's flipping what he thinks I'm saying because there's no script. So I'm just like riffing right now. And he's trying to guess what I'm saying. I'll be right back to make the topping. And we're back. Right now, I'm making the topping for the...
What you pour in there?
An egg yolk. So in here I have a 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 4 ounces, which is 1/2 stick of butter, and 1 egg yolk. So now it has to come to like a little boil, and I have to stir it for 10 minutes so it thickens. So you can go back and watch your UFC stuff. But when this thickens, when I'm done, I'm going to add in. It asks for a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. I'm using walnuts because I like walnuts better. A heaping 1/2 cup of sweetened coconut flakes, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So, and the cookies are out. I made them little because these are really, really rich cookies. on the picture that the recipe I saw, the cookies were like that big. And I was like, I'm not making them that big because they're rich cookies. So when I come back, I'm gonna drizzle it on there, and then I guess you're gonna have to do the taste test because Eric's laying down. We'll wake him up. Okay? We'll be right back.
No.
Oh, sorry, wait. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Just don't fucking clap until I put my hand up.
Okay. Hi, welcome back. So I've stirred this up, and this is the consistency it looks like. See? This is going to be the topping for the cookies. So it says to add in the vanilla. The coconut. Ooh, that looks good. Looks like it's kind of like, remember, you know what sweetened condensed milk looks like? Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a big fan.
It looks like it's going to taste like that. See, there's where you get your German chocolate topping.
Came at me so hot.
Oh my God, you're such a big baby. Okay, so I kind of got to let it cool a minute before we can taste test it because it's going to burn someone's mouth.
You don't want to burn your mouth, baby.
Well, do you want to burn your mouth, asshole? Okay, so I'm going to let it sit for a minute. And then we're just going to scoop it on the cookie. And it says to melt chocolate and drizzle that. That's a lot, so I'm not doing that. I mean, we got chocolate cookies. We're gonna put this on there, and that's gonna be the German chocolate.
Wouldn't want you to work too hard.
Oh God, shut up! I work harder than anybody else in this family. All right, so when we come back, it'll be about, I don't know, 5 minutes, 8 minutes to let it cool, and then we'll do a taste test. And I don't know who's doing the taste test. If you do it, you should probably put a baseball hat on because your hair looks like shit. We'll be right back. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Send me recipes that you want me to make, please. I love to interact. Are we ready? Someone's obviously been working out and is very proud of himself. This is my baby.
Don't taste yourself coming.
Yeah. The Hulk. Okay, so it's a German chocolate cookie. I only did one because I don't know why. Just
What's
look at
that
that.
shit on it?
It's okay.
Mustard?
No, it's not mustard. It's a German chocolate topping. It has flake coconut.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to eat it off your arm? A flake coconut, walnuts, and it's a mixture. So tell me what you think of it.
Well, it's not. He's gonna walk away with
It
it.
was not good. Say, come and tell me what you taste.
A chocolate.
Chocolate cookie.
Mm-hmm.
They said to drizzle chocolate on it. Would that be too much? That's perfect. Perfect? Okay, good. Yay! Okay, so this is the mixture when it's cooled down. Once again, it's got the nuts. You can use pecans or walnuts. I use walnuts. I'm gonna try one. You gonna try one, Bill?
No.
Well, you don't have a shirt on. That would not be very kosher on here.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna try one.
Pushing the limits.
This is not keto. Let me tell you, not keto. Oh, very good. And you know what? The mixture. Now I'm talking with my mouth full. Oh, wine and chocolate go perfect together.
Yeah, you mix wine with everything.
I know. The mixture doesn't make a whole bunch of cookies. So, just so you know. So you can double it if you want. But
Okay, and they.
this is a really good cookie. This would be a good holiday cookie. Thank you again for joining me. I don't know what I'm making next week. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will share the recipe. It's a 2-part recipe because you do the topping. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next week.